All right, soldier, our bogey is in range. Commence search and destroy.
What?
Search and rescue. I meant search and rescue. Come on.
Can't believe it wasn't invited to that party.
Hey, you're a lone wolf. Live alone, die alone.
Hey, can we please get the dog?
Can we please get the dog? Can we please get the dog? Pooh.
Oh no. Oh man.
Hello, Evans. Goodbye, Conrad. Not tough now, are you?
Dead. We're never gonna get that crate shot, and I'm getting shipped off to Colonel Von Crunk's school for wayward boys.
Why don't we take my car?
You have a car?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, that is so cool.
That's just the dust cover. Here she is, the super luxurious omnidirectional whatchamajigger, or SLOW for short.
SLOW?
Yeah, slow. It's better than the last thing you had. Super hydraulic instantaneous transporter.
Oh, you mean...
No! Quick to the slow!